Welcome to Guangzhou Mr.niu Electric Appliance Company Limited, a professional manufacturer of instant water heaters since 2009. Our 1,200 square meter factory is equipped with advanced automated machinery and is managed by a dedicated and skilled team. Located just 10 minutes from Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport, we offer convenient access for international visitors, and we proudly provide free pickup service for clients visiting our facility. Mr.niu holds CE, CB, and ETL certifications, ensuring that our products meet global safety and quality standards. Our water heaters are exported to Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, and other global markets, and are well received by both household and commercial users. We focus on precision, safety, and efficiency. Our water heaters are built using strictly controlled components, including nickel chromium or pure copper heating elements, TRIAC, SCR, intelligent power control, accurate thermostats, and responsive water flow sensors. Combined with our smart control systems, these components allow our heaters to provide fast, stable, and energy-efficient performance. Every unit undergoes rigorous quality inspection before shipment to ensure long-term reliability. In addition to stable supply and professional production, we also offer OEM and ODM customization to meet diverse client requirements. We provide real-time logistics tracking, secure export packaging, and dedicated after-sales support to ensure your order is smooth from start to finish. Whether you're sourcing for a retail brand or a private label line, Mr.niu offers flexible cooperation models and a long-term, trustworthy partnership. We are committed to delivering value, quality, and reliability with every unit we produce. Choose Mr.niu, your dependable partner in instant water heating, from our factory to your market.